Today, we're diving into the brand new RD ntg5 2024 refresh, RD's latest upgrade to their flagship shotgun microphone. The original ntg5 was already a favorite among filmmakers, podcasters, and field recordists, but this new refresh promises improved sound quality, better portability, and a few smart design tweaks. Design build quality. The ntg5 keeps RD's signature compact form factor, just under 21 centimeters long and weighing around 76 grams, making it one of the lightest professional shotgun mics in its class. The 2024 refresh introduces a new matte black anodized finish, which not only looks sleek but also resists scratches and fingerprints much better than the older model. Performance sound quality. The ntg5 continues the legacy of natural and transparent sound. The frequency response is flat, with just a slight lift in the high end for added clarity. Voices sound crisp, full, and uncolored, perfect for dialogue in films or voiceovers. In outdoor tests, the mic handles wind and environmental noise brilliantly, thanks to the redesigned interference tube. RDE has also bundled it with an upgraded windshield system, giving you excellent protection even in breezy conditions. Thank you so much.